QR codes are only great when they are used with direct potential clients. It helps to direct them to specific landing pages. Clients simply need to scan the QR codes and they will be led to the relevant web pages. The concept of QR codes is slowly declining. Almost 97% of mobile users in America didn't circumflex T even have a clue of what QR code was as of 2012. Well, most people were not ready to use them because of the complexity involved. For instance, you need to download an app before you can scan the code. Besides that, brands that were using them didn't circumflex T take into account the needs of potential clients. For instance, you could find these QR codes in TV ads that run for about 10 seconds. In addition to that, they were located in some weird places like the subways and other places with no good cell reception. TV marketing. There is no doubt that TVs are not going anywhere. Humans love audiovisual content and TVs are the best sources of these. This is one of the biggest industries globally and marketers use millions of dollars annually to push their content on TVs. TV marketing involves creating TV commercials. Ads or commercials form the biggest part of TV marketing. The standard duration is usually 15 seconds long. So, you need to create content that will first capture the attention of the viewer. Secondly, the content should be precise and appealing. It should make the viewer want to try it out. Lastly, make sure that the commercial isn't circumflex T long. This is because the viewer will end up The most critical thing about TV commercials is that you will never know who is going to watch. Well, you will get the metrics regarding the number of viewers. But there another TV ad that it a circumflex s worth trying a circumflex. Super Bowl ads. For starters, you need to know that this type of TV commercial is very expensive. You need to have millions in your account to get a minute of airtime as Super Bowl commercial. However, this is one of the best airing spots in the world. This is because Super Bowl commercials usually go viral. They produce cross-pollinating results, so the gains will definitely. According to research statistics, about 10% of TV commercials that spill on various social platforms are from Super Bowl commercials. Overall, marketing insights indicate that Super Bowl commercials usually have the highest levels of retention rates among consumers. In addition to that, Super Bowl commercials have ripple effects. They normally turn into online assets and eventually end up generating hundreds of millions of views. Overall, what makes Super Bowl ads successful? Well,
it could be because of the hype.
Ads placed on this platform have high engagement rates, likability, in addition to high entertainment value. These ads also have high levels of clarity in terms of content delivery. Shopping channels. It a circumflex S, also known as teleshopping. This involves the use of a specialty channel to market your brand. The television programs normally involve the use of live presentations carried by on-air TV hosts plus spokespersons who are responsible for providing the sales pitch. Market insights show that teleshopping can have high returns value for your brand. The benefits include 3D demonstrations of your product through a live presentation, a significantly big demonstration, potential instant responses from viewers, high chances of reaching a bigger target audience. Note: if you are committing to a TV spot, make sure that it will deliver. Consumers are known to quickly change channels when adverts come on. This is the time when they take a circumflex break. A circumflex So, you need to be smooth and strategic. For instance, the spot of your ad needs to align with the needs of the target audience. You can a circumflex T place a condom ad on TV at midday. On the other hand, it a circumflex S irrelevant to place a food ad at 11 p.m. because most people are going to bed at this time. With the rapid growth of YouTube, IGTV, and others, you need to be specific when creating TV content. You need to redefine your target audience. This could be based on location, age, level of income, and gender. Testing the content is also important. It allows you to tweak it a couple of times before officially launching it. Pros of offline marketing: we cannot access the internet at all times. Offline marketing still helps to ensure that digital marketing still takes place offline.
So, why should marketers consider it?
It attracts a unique audience. Offline marketing is suitable across different audiences. It also helps to attract those people who always don a circumflex T have internet access. Great startup speed. Internet marketing requires the creation of a navigable website. Besides that, social media pages are also important and a good support system. However, offline marketing has a good startup speed. This is because you don a circumflex T need all these things to start your ad campaign. Low competition. Nearly every business starts by launching online before moving back offline. While this is good, there is an extremely high level of competition online. To ensure that you reach a bigger target audience, consider offline marketing. Create flyers, radio, and attractive billboards. Components of digital online marketing: it involves the use of the internet to create ads that will attract potential clients. With online marketing, the marketer uses various digital channels to spread the message about their services or products. If you are venturing into digital marketing, these are the key components of online marketing. SEO, search engine optimization, or SEO, is an online form of marketing. SEO is a strategic process of optimizing a website a circumflex S rank in search engine results pages. It involves increasing the visibility of a website so that it ranks higher in search results, thereby increasing the quantity and quality of website traffic. For effective and well-rounded results, you need to use 3 types of SEO.
On-page SEO: this type of SEO focuses on the content that a circumflex S already existing on your website. It involves keyword research and meaning, keyword optimization, and content creation. Note that there are many tools that can help you with keyword strategy. For instance, the keyword difficulty tool can help you find popular and relevant key phrases for your content. Off-site SEO: it focuses on those activities that take place off the website. But what are some of the activities that have an impact on your website a circumflex S search engine results ranking? They include backlinks or inbound links. This roughly means the number of other publishers who can link back to you and their a circumflex authority a circumflex. So, it a circumflex S important for you to write guest posts and then link them to your websites. In addition to that, it a circumflex S also to network and interact with other publishers. Technical SEO: it a circumflex S found on your website a circumflex S backend. It simply relates non-technical elements found in the websites, including how the web pages are coded. It includes aspects such as CSS, file optimization, indexing, image compression,